Words that my lips whispered while washing my clothes in preparation for coming to Pilipinas in Spanish. A blessed evening. I am Rico Daos, a graduating student of Bachelor of Arts in Theology. In the year 2023, I could still remember how God led me to this place to learn and be trained. Before I came here, my parents gave me 400 pesos as my allowance. I knew it would never be enough, but through God's grace and mercy, which are more than sufficient, my allowance was not reduced until I arrived here in the campus because Pastor Jennifer had shouldered my fare. We arrived on campus and Pastor God Zaire warmly introduced me to the other student.
Special mention.
In the afternoon of that same day, I went to the full room and asked Pastor Teng for a word scholar. He gave me a broom and instructed me to clean the roof of the new president's house. When I was on the roof, my knees were shaking. And I started to question my calling. I asked myself, what if I fell? Would the 35 pesos per hour be worth it? But I finished my work and the experience of campus life is a strange thing for me. No family to eat with, cold water, survival, and many more. I left my comfort zone in Pangasinan to study and be equipped here at PNC. I already had an idea about the kind of life that I might experience because of the story of my pastor, Reverend John Halley. But the first-hand encounter feels different. There are moments we experience unplanned fasting, 3 p.m. breakfast, and 3 meals a day are put away and replaced by brushing 3 times a day. I came to the moment that my only petition in prayer is, Lord, I pray that there will be a wedding on Saturday. I came to the moment that my only petition in prayer is, Lord, I pray that there will be a wedding on Saturday or a holiday so that we can fall in line and receive a what to survive. God also used people to share the burden I carry. He used the person and family of Pastor Gemma Florento, President Alan and Ma'am Mila Prado, Pastor Renante, Pastor Lawrence, Kuya Randy, the family of Laoria, Halik, Figuracion, Riola, and D.S. Pachoco, to minister in my life and remind me that I am not alone. Those wonderful people became the inspiration and instrument of God's expanded blessing. In addition, praying and working are the weapons which God revealed me to use in life and ministry. I prayed for blessing, and He gave me work. I prayed for food, and He gave me work. I prayed for purpose, and He gave me work. And I prayed for how to love Him back, and He gave me work. That's why we'll work till Jesus comes. Lastly, I came to this place having 400 pesos in my pocket and one wealthy king, Jesus, in my heart. Now, I am about to graduate having 10,000. Wow. 10,000
pesos. What reasons?
But 10,000 reasons to sustain and provide all of my needs. Truly, He never changes. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Amen. He answered all prayers. And surely, the Lord is my shepherd, and He gave all that I need. Thank you and God bless everyone.